We met at ASU where we were both in school. She was studying chemical engineering, I was studying electrical engineering. And we actually met at a Halloween party during our junior year. And what's fun about this Halloween party is I actually wasn't invited.
Well, I'm sure Matt told you that he crashed that party.
And we pretty much instantly hit it off.
He was just super easy to talk to.
I remember not thinking much of it when Matt called one November day and told me he'd met some super pretty girl at a Halloween party and that she actually talked to him for most of the night.
I'm ready. Oh my gosh. Wow.
So he ended up moving across the country and we did 4 years of long distance.
And that was, of course, really hard.
I know it must have been hard not being able to see each other coming home from work, having to work around the time difference to talk, and then all the time and money you guys spent traveling back and forth. But I know the time you two spent long distance has made your relationship even stronger. And I'm so happy that you two were able to get jobs in the same city so that you can finally be together.
But here we are 9 years later, and I can barely remember a time before Sanya was fully part of our family.
Once a child, you are part of their family. You can never run.
We are one family now.
Your goofy energy, your full embrace of our culture, and your kindness was so apparent the first time that I met you.